Mango, the science behind nature's sweet superfruit. It's one of the world's most loved fruits, bright, golden, and sweet. But beneath the flavor lies complex chemistry, a mix of vitamins, enzymes, and antioxidants that make the mango a small biological marvel. In this video, we'll explore the science of mango, what happens inside your body when you eat it, how its complex interacts with your cells, and why scientists call it one of the most nutrient-rich tropical fruits on earth. What's inside a mango? Let's start with the numbers. A single medium-sized mango, about 200 grams of edible fruit, contains around 150 calories, mostly from natural sugars. But it's not just sugar. That same mango delivers 100% of your daily vitamin C, 35% of vitamin A, 10% of your vitamin E, and about 3 grams of fiber. It's low in fat, has no cholesterol, and provides more than a dozen essential minerals, including potassium, magnesium, and copper. In short, the mango isn't just sweet, it's not nutritionally dense. Vitamins and biochemistry. The vibrant orange color of mangoes comes from beta-carotene, a carotenoid that your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A plays a vital role in cell growth, immune function, and eye health, especially in the retina, where it forms part of the light-detecting molecule rhodopsin. Next, vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant. It neutralizes reactive oxygen species, unstable molecules that can damage DNA and cell membranes. That's why vitamin C is critical for collagen synthesis, wound healing, and immune defense. Mangoes also contain vitamin E, a lipid-soluble antioxidant that protects cell membranes from oxidative stress, particularly in the skin and nervous system. Together, these vitamins forms a biochemical shield against cellular damage, inflammation, and aging. Phytochemicals and antioxidants. Beyond the well-known vitamins, mangoes are rich in polyphenols, a group of plant-based antioxidants with impressive biological activity. Among them is mangiferin, a unique xanthan compound found mostly in mango peel and pulp. In laboratory studies, mangiferin has shown anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and neuroprotective properties. Other compounds like quercetin, catechins, and garlic acid further enhance the fruit's antioxidant capacity. These molecules help protect your body's lipids and proteins from oxidation, a key process linked to chronic diseases like diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and cancer. In simpler terms, mangoes don't just feed your body, they protect it on a molecular level. Digestive enzymes and gut health. Mangoes support digestion in a way few fruits do. They contain natural enzymes known as amylases, proteins that break down complex carbohydrates into simpler sugars like maltase and glucose. These enzymes become more active as the fruit ripens, which is why ripe mangoes taste sweeter and feel softer. Combined with dietary fiber, these enzymes help regulate digestion and maintain healthy gut motility. Recent studies shows mango consumption can even improve gut microbiome diversity, supporting beneficial bacteria that influence everything from metabolism to mood, blood sugar, and energy balance. Despite their sweetness, mangoes have a medium glycemic index, around 50 to 55. That means they rise blood sugar levels more gradually than refined carbohydrates. The fiber, polyphenols, and amylases enzymes all play a role in slowing sugar absorption. In balanced portions, roughly half a cup mangoes can be safely enjoyed by most people, including those managing blood glucose, especially when eating with protein or healthy fats. In moderation, the mango's sugar acts as clean energy, fueling muscles and brain activity without sharp insulin spikes. Immune, skin, and eye health. The synergy of nutrients in mangoes supports several vital systems. The immunity, vitamin C, enhances the activity of white blood cells. For skin, vitamin A regulates cell turnover, while vitamin E shields skin cells from oxidative stress. For eyes, beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin filter harmful blue light and reduce the risk of age-related molecular degeneration. Essentially, mangoes nourish the body's outer and inner defenses, keeping tissues resilient and cells healthy. Storage, preparation, and nutritional integrity. How you eat a mango affects how much nutrition you get. Fresh, ripe mangoes retain the highest vitamin and enzyme activities. Excessive heat like boiling or pasteurizing can degrade vitamin C and enzymes such as amylase. That's why fresh fruits or gently frozen mango chunks are the best options for nutrient preservation. Avoid syrups, juices, or candies labeled as mango flavor. They even contain more sugar than fruits. The science is simple. The less processed the mango, the more biological you keep intact. In summary, the mango is far more than a tropical treat. It's a living system of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants evolved to protect itself. And when we eat it, to protect us too, from supporting the immune system to maintaining vision, skin, and gut health. Mangoes embody what modern nutrition calls a functional food, delicious and biologically beneficial. So the next time you slice into one, remember every bite is a small experiment in natural science. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more science-based food documentaries.